Hello everyone, welcome back once again to my channel Simplifying Business Studies. So children, we are still continuing with chapter 11 of class 12 marketing, and this is going to be the third assignment of the chapter. For the first two assignments you can look up to the description box, you will get the links there. So let us quickly start this lesson. Let us read this very first question. Kumar wanted to purchase a fuel-efficient car having the latest standards regarding minimization of pollution. He saw an advertisement offering such a car and visited the showroom of the company wherein the car was displayed. In his discussion, the marketing manager told him that the company is providing credit facility, maintenance services, and other effective services which are helping in bringing the repeat sales and developing brand loyalty. Identify the marketing function which the marketing manager was discussing with Kumar. So here what we can see is this company is providing different kind of credit facilities, maintenance services, and many other effective services. So which is this marketing function involved? This is customer support service, which is a very important function of marketing. Let's see question number 2. Nayan Medicare Equipment Limited manufactures equipments for surgeons having a unique technique. The equipments can be used by the surgeons only after a proper training. Even their maintenance requires guidance of specialized engineers. Because of this equipment is used in a limited number of hospitals, the company wants to increase the sale of equipments, suggest the promotion tool to be used by the company, giving reasons in support of your answer. So here the tool which company should use to encourage its sale, it can only be personal selling, because these are the products which cannot be promoted through advertisements or through public relation or different tactics, different techniques like sales promotion techniques. So these products will only be sold if the features of the product will be communicated properly. So only personal selling can be used in this case to get the benefits to the company. Question number 3. Jay is working as a chief executive officer of a soft drink company. The company is doing its business in collaboration with the soft drink company of France. Jay's friend Swami, teacher of business studies in a reputed college, was discussing the marketing chapter with his students. He wanted clarity from Jay about the factors which affect the marketing decisions. Jay explained that there were a large number of factors affecting marketing decisions, which may be divided in two categories: controllable factors and non-controllable factors. Jay further explained that the controllable factors become marketing tools that can be constantly shaped and reshaped by the managers to achieve marketing success. Identify and explain the set of marketing tools that can be constantly shaped and reshaped by marketing managers. So this is a whole case about an organization where what we have to answer is we have to tell them what marketing tools a marketer constantly uses to shape and to get benefits from the market. So the answer is product, price, place, and promotion. So these are the basic tools which are under the marketing mix, which or the combination of which a marketer use constantly to shape and reshape all the marketing objectives which he has decided for his firm. Let's see question number 4. Get Well Soon Pharmaceutical Limited was pioneer in developing medicine for adrenal, a type of cancer. After successful trial, the company launched its product in the market. The total cost of producing the medicine was rupees 100 per tablet, but in absence of competition, the company decided to charge a high price of rupees 1000 per tablet to earn huge profits and cover the cost of the research and development at the earliest. The patients are willing to pay any price for this life-saving drug. However, patients belonging to weaker section of the society found it difficult to buy the medicine. On receiving several complaints, the Government Drug Control Agency found that Get Well Soon Limited is charging very high price. The government fixed the upper price limit of rupees 130 per tablet. So this is the whole case. Now what we are supposed to do is, the above para describes the number of factors that affect the fixation of price of a product. We have to identify those factors. So let us see. Total cost of producing the medicine was rupees 100 per tablet. So that means which factor is involved here? It is product cost, right? Next thing what we have observed here is, in the absence of competition, the company decided to charge a high price. So that means competition also let them fix this price. So the next factor involved here is extent of competition. Government fixed the upper price limit of rupees 130 per tablet. So that means because of the government intervention, they have to bring down the price of the product. So this is also a very important factor in this case. So government restriction is the third factor which is involved. Let's see question number 5. Maruti Veka Limited entered into a market with colored television and now having introduced products like audio system, air conditioners, washing machines, etc. The company is not only offering the products but also handling complaints and offering after sale service. So here we have to identify the element of marketing mix. This is product or product mix. There is one more question. Consumer products manufacturing companies offering a number of consumer products like toiletries, detergent powders, food products, etc. So this is also a similar kind of question where the products or the variety of products are involved. We can say it is product mix. So this is all product assortment of these companies. Let's see question number 6. Hayaram is a famous chain selling a large variety of products in the Indian market. Their products include chips, biscuits, sweets, squashes. It charges a comparatively higher price than its competitors as it sells quality products. Besides, it offers regular discount to the customers and easy credit terms to the retailers. It regularly uses different communication tools to increase its sales. The above para describes a combination of variables used by Hayaram to prepare its market offering. Identify and explain these variables. So let us understand what are these variables. Variables means the elements of marketing mix which are used here in this case. So the first one is their products includes chips, biscuits, sweets and squashes. So this is definitely the product, which is the first variable. Comparatively higher price than the competitors. So this is also one element which the marketer has thought about and strategize itself to get certain advantages. So this is price. Third one being it regularly uses different communication tools. So this is promotion. So these are the three variables used by this particular marketer, this combination they have used to prepare its market offering. Question number 7. The manager of Impact Enterprise dealing in cosmetic is facing problem of poor sales. Suggest 4 promotional tools that he can undertake to improve his sales. Also name the factor affecting their choices. So just to improve sales, what they can do is they can have tools like advertising, they can have sales promotion and personal selling. So these are the tools which they can use to increase their sale. And also what are the factors affecting their choices, which out of these tools they can choose definitely depends upon what market they are offering their products in, what is their nature of product, okay, and what is their promotional budget, and also what are the objectives of promotion. So these are all the factors on which our choice of promotional tool will depend upon. Let's see question number 8. Nisha, a school bag manufacturer, decided to improve the product for profit maximization and thus added water bottle holder to the existing product design. So here we have to tell what marketing management philosophy is adopted by Nisha. So because she is maximizing profit by improving the product, she is using product philosophy. That means it improves the quality of the product. Explain the philosophy on the basis of main focus and means and end. What is the main focus of this particular philosophy, and what are the means to achieve it, and what are the ends it wishes to reach. So the main focus is always on quality and the performance of the product. What means they use to achieve it? The means they use to achieve it is improvement in the product quality. And what end they aim at? They aim at achieving profits through giving good quality products. Let's see question number 9. Amar is engaged in manufacturing of refrigerator. He surveyed and found out that the customer need refrigerator with separate provision of water cooler in it. He decided and launched the same refrigerator in the market. Identify and explain the marketing philosophy involved. So what is done here? He has given people what they are willing to have. So this is marketing philosophy, where he created a product and then he launched the same product which people are looking for. So this is absolutely marketing philosophy. An important task in the marketing of goods relates to designing the label, as it provides useful information and detailed information about the product. In light of the above statement, draw a label for juice and highlight the important information to be provided on it. I am not showing you the answer for this question. You have to design a label on your own and you have to mention all possible important information which it should involve. So I am sure you all will be able to do this question as per your creativity. Let's see question number 11. Pushpanjali Limited is manufacturing chocolates, biscuits, cakes and other similar products. The company is not generating enough profits. Saurabh, the marketing manager of the company, surveyed and found out that in spite of good quality, customers are not able to distinguish the product from its competitors. They are happy with the quality of the product, but they are not able to identify the product in the market. So here is the case. Now let us see what is asked in the question. Here Pushpanjali Limited has forgotten to take one important decision related to product. What is that decision? So what is your answer? So here customers are not able to distinguish the product. They are happy with the quality, but they are not able to identify the product. That means what they have forgotten is branding the product. Explain the benefits that may result to Pushpanjali Limited and its customers in the above decision taken. So what are the benefits to Pushpanjali Limited and its customers? So we have to give benefits to both marketer and the consumers. So what are the benefits to Pushpanjali Limited? Yes, product differentiation will be there. It will help the product in advertising and promotion. It will give the marketer an advantage to have differential pricing. That means if they are satisfied with the quality of the product, they can charge higher prices for their products. And if a firm is already established, it has some brand value, so it is definitely easier for them to introduce a new product. So these are the advantages to the marketer. Here it is Pushpanjali Limited. What are the benefits to the customers? It helps customers in product identification, as this problem was already discussed in the question also. It ensures quality, right? Once you're using the quality and you're happy with the quality, then again once you go and buy the same quality, you are assured of the quality, that because you are buying this particular brand, you will get the same quality. So you will be so ensured about the quality. And of course, some products are bought for status symbol. This is again one benefit of branding to the customers. So students, we are done with this assignment. This was the last assignment of this chapter. I'm sure the content is useful and it is productive to all of you. Any comments, you can always write in to me through the comment box, or you can reach me through this email. Hope you all have a nice day ahead. Thank you very much.